PFC was founded back in 1997, 1998 time area. It was always a specialized company for flexible technology, but in the last 5 to 6 years, it has grown into different sectors, like for example, aerospace, medical, commercial. So we are big into life-saving devices and wearable technologies at this point in time. Our dynamic partnership with Centennial College is actually driving the industry's future. Working with Centennial College students is really great because a lot of time we are tackling a project with the way we are thinking, but then they really help us look at problems in a different way because they have a different background than us.
At Centennial College, our students are not just learning the theories, they also get exposed to a variety of different best practices out there in the industry, real challenges that is happening out there in the industry, and that equip them with what they need in order to not just finish their program, but end of it, start performing in the industry to the best possible shape. I partnered with Sonomi in 2022-2023. Our students at ARIS Research Center at Centennial College work with industry partner PFC on helping them enhance their manufacturing capabilities and their handling operation. And the advantage of this project for PFC was that they were able to adopt our solutions right away in their production line. This collaboration bridges education with industry, turning students into professionals and theories into practices.
On behalf of PFC, I'm actually part of Electronics Pack at Centennial College, and I get to contribute just like all the other industry partners where we can give advice to Centennial College on how to update the curriculum and what's going on in this industry so they can train their students for more like industry ready. Together, we are fostering innovation and preparing the next generation of engineers and innovators.